Have you heard about the tool capable of driving 500 staples using just one hand without any impact force? Sounds like an efficiency booster, doesn't it? That's merely one of the incredible tools we're exploring today. From storage solutions that keep every piece of equipment organized, to measuring devices accurate to the smallest fraction, these innovations exist to simplify work and boost productivity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or passionate about do-it-yourself projects, stay tuned. We have 10 essential items that will elevate your work to the next level. Let's keep rolling with the Ryobi Door Hinge Kit. Struggling with hinge installations? This kit is here to save the day. Designed to work with almost any hinge, it fits standard door thicknesses effortlessly. The reversible edges handle both round and square hinges, while the robust clamps secure the tool without damaging your door. With the included router bit, you can mortise doors with ease. A stable platform resists rocking, keeping your cuts clean and precise. Adjustments are simple, allowing you to set hinge length and depth quickly. Onboard storage ensures every piece is at your fingertips when you need it. Whether you're working on new installations or repairs, this kit delivers professional results with minimal effort. It's a must-have for door projects. This Crescent tool backpack is more than a bag, it's a portable workshop. The hard polypropylene base is built to resist moisture and impact, so your tools stay safe no matter the job site. With 34 interior pockets and 4 on the outside, you'll always find a place for everything, from small screws to large hand tools. The bright orange interior helps you locate items faster, even in low light. Need flexibility? The adjustable front pocket is perfect for bulkier items like extension cords. Plus, the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, slip-free grip. Made with durable 1680D polyester and metal hardware, this bag is designed to handle daily wear and tear. Added perks like the magnetic pocket, water bottle holder, and tape measure clip make it as convenient as it is durable. A smart solution for every professional. Next up, we've got the Milwaukee M18 Planer, a powerhouse for smoothing wood with precision. Its strong motor removes up to 5/64 inch of material in a single pass, saving you time and effort. Whether you're working with softwood or hardwood, this planer handles it all. Adjust depths easily with the 20-position dial, which locks in place for accurate, repeatable cuts. You'll also love the 27/64 inch rabbet capacity, ideal for creating shiplap joints. Safety and cleanliness are covered too, thanks to the chip ejection feature that lets you direct debris away from your workspace. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during long projects. Whether you're a carpenter or DIY woodworker, this tool promises precise, smooth results with every pass. Now for surface prep, the Scabbling hammer is your go-to tool. Its tungsten carbide tips stay sharper longer, reducing maintenance costs while boosting performance. This heavy-duty tool is perfect for removing rust, scale, and coatings from steel or concrete. Replaceable scaling heads make swaps easy, minimizing downtime on the job. Its inline conversion feature lets you reach tight spaces by simply changing the handle. Nylon brush seals keep debris out, extending the life of the tool. With reduced vibration, you'll have better control and less fatigue. Whether you're working on steel structures, pipelines, or stubborn floor coatings, this hammer is tough enough for the job. Here's the Lety Auto Hammer, a game changer for electricians. This cordless tool clamps cables effortlessly, eliminating the need for a traditional hammer. With ergonomic and one-hand operation, it's perfect for tight spaces. Switch between 2 grip options depending on the angle you're working at. The adjustable impact force lets you handle various surfaces without damaging them. Additional features like an integrated work light and distance meter simplify your tasks. Plus, it drives 500 staples per charge with a fast 40-minute recharge time. Whether you're working on ceilings, walls, or floors, this tool makes installations faster and more accurate. Imagine you're in your workshop ready to hang a new door, and you reach for the Milescraft 1226 hinge jig. This self-clamping jig is a wonder, making door and latch hinge installation straightforward and efficient. Its padded clamp design sets up quickly without the need for screws or nails, preventing any damage to your door. Whether you're working with standard or thick doors, the adjustable settings have you covered. It accommodates hinge mortises from 2.5 to 4.5 inches and allows you to cut professional hinge mortises with 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch, or square corners, chisel required for square corners. Plus, the built-in depth setting gauge ensures precise cuts for different hinge sizes. And the included custom router bit with a ball bearing guarantees clean and smooth mortises. Plus, the built-in storage compartments keep your router bit and optional self-centering hinge bit within arm's reach so you're always organized. With the hinge jig, you're set for a smooth, professional installation every time. Now, if precision is your thing, check out the Hotel Laser Measuring Tool. Compact and reliable, it measures distances up to 98 feet with a 2mm accuracy. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, it keeps every project on point with a one-button operation. It's incredibly easy to use. Long press to start measuring and press again to stop. Its OLED display is clear and low power, showing data even in bright conditions. Connect it to the My Home app via Bluetooth to sync and save measurements directly to your phone. Whether you're planning layouts or taking quick measurements, this feature saves time and hassle. With a USB-C charging port, it's always ready when you are. Switch between front and back measuring modes for versatility. This tool simplifies precision. Imagine you're in your workshop ready to tackle a new project, and you reach for your router. The Milescraft 622 OmniBase offers a truly universal fit for nearly every router, from trim to full size, thanks to its innovative adjustable swivel mounting wings. This 7-inch diameter base plate, crafted from clear polycarbonate, not only boosts stability, but also enhances visibility during your routing tasks. It's compatible with 1 3/16-inch Porter cable-style metal bushings, making it versatile for various applications. Plus, the inclusion of non-marring mortising pins allows you to cut mortises into boards of varying thicknesses, perfect for tenon joinery. The OmniBase integrates with Milescraft's turn-lock jigs, expanding your tool's capabilities even further. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this base plate simplifies setup and improves precision, making your projects more enjoyable and efficient. If woodworking's on your list, the Kreg Foreman Pocket Hole Machine will make it easier and faster than ever before. Weighing just 20 pounds, it's portable but built tough to handle the demands of any workshop. The step drill bit lets you create clean pocket holes in materials ranging from a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick. The adjustable fence and tool-free clamping system ensure precise depth settings so every joint fits perfectly. The machine's 120-volt motor delivers consistent power at 2,800 RPM for efficient drilling. Crafted with durable aluminum and steel, it's built to last through countless projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, this tool doubles your speed while cutting your effort in half. It's a reliable companion for your shop or on-site jobs. For heavy-duty stapling, you'll want the Rapid Hammer Tacker. Perfect for roofing, insulation, and securing plastic wrap, this tool is built for precision and speed. Its ergonomic, non-slip grip keeps you comfortable during extended use, reducing fatigue. Its all-steel construction ensures durability even in demanding conditions. Designed for flat wire staples between 6 and 10 millimeters, it provides reliable fastening every time. Its balanced design improves control, making repetitive tasks more manageable. Whether you're a roofer, builder, or crafter, this hammer tacker saves time without compromising performance. It's the tool you'll reach for whenever efficiency is a priority. So, that's all about the 10 amazing next-level tools you must have.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.